Oh, shit. Subway looks full of zombies.
Thanks, Bill, for saying that right off the bat. Appreciate it. Alright, here we go. What is this, the Subway's mission? Yeah. Alright. Well, here we go. Where everybody's an agent, or, what is it called? What's that game called? The Division. They're all Division agents, except, Max Payne over here. Reload the shotgun. Alright, here we go. You guys gotta stop shooting me back. The little screeches they do, it's like scary as hell to listen to. Oh. That's why you don't let the old man jump down first.
Nice shot. Reloading.
Boomer!
There's a boomer.
Reloading!
There was a boomer. He's all over the place right now.
The red line north will take us to the hospital.
Why don't we just go up here? Oh, wait. Oh, that's why. Plywood and metal bars? God, I don't like the sound of that, but you know what? Let's see what's in here. Not a damn thing. What about up? God. Fire axe. And other garbage. Okay. This is my favorite part. No, not really. I hate this part. Take you out. Oh no. Where'd he go? I heard him.
Charger!
Charger. That must be the fellow that masturbates all the time. Wake up.
Bullshit!
Reloaded!
Oh, they're coming.
Heads up! Reloading! Weapon over here!
What else is
Reloading!
It's just all that garbage weaponry. Did you all pick up an AUG? Yeah, you got one. You also have one. What about Francis? Okay, good. You all picked up better weapons. That's good. We're gonna need them.
Weapons here!
No. I used to like that gun, but not really anymore. I prefer the dual pistols. Hello, is anybody in this tunnel? I can hear you. And smell you. Hang on, I'm just curious. Gas line runs over.
Jackie!
Reload!
Shalom, do you have a time to speak about...
Watch out! Charger!
Speak about Jesus. It's kind of a terrible way to say that.
Reloading!
Don't everybody reload at once now. Good luck forces you to go forward.
Pills here!
Then that'll happen. Shoot him!
Look out!
Reloading.
Got it!
Oh, hell yes!
Smoker right around here. Jockey! Tank!
Oh, what the?
Ready!
I'm gonna kill myself in that too.
Oh, Jesus!
I honestly didn't know that was even coming. I'm music turned on. I'm thinking, oh hey, that tank doesn't see us. Oh no, he did. He was just waiting for me to come around that corner. Evacuation instructions. Let's see. I don't care enough.
God damn it, the line's blocked.
All right,
yeah.
no problem. Now we just gotta get out of the subway.
No
Got a
shit,
weapon
Captain
here.
Obvious. Oh, I mean, yeah, I stand by what I said. Please don't tell me I'm gonna have to fight another tank. There's a boomer over there? Nice.
Reloading!
God, the little screens. Where'd you go, Smoker? I know you're still around.
Reloading!
Where the hell did he go? Dude, he just disappeared. That's nice.
Ammo here!
Hello? I hear him. A witch. Really? That's nice. Just sitting there waiting.
Quiet.
Reloading!
Weapons here! Watch my back.
Cool. Wow, that's scary sounding. Where's he at? I know you're around. I'm just gonna eat this
Fire
up
in the
here.
hole! Smoker! Reloading!
Die, you son of a... Good. Okay, let's activate this door and get this started. Come on.
Incoming! Here they come!
expecting some zombies to be standing idly in here. You know, I'll take the sniper rifle, why not? Oh, this is the part with the gas station, isn't it?
You are an idiot!
Here you go, Zoe. Get them kills. Alright, cool. Ooh, I almost shot that car alarm. How to make the game harder for you in 2 seconds. Alright. Run! Charger!
Watch out!
Don't shoot that car.
Safe house in the pawn shop.
Can you lock that door?
Healing. Cover me.
Reloading!
Oh, nice. And just for shits and giggles. No. Where's that coming from?
God damn it!
Well, thank you for watching. I'll go to part 3 in the next video. Jeez, I can't hold things properly. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.